Today, July 15, a day before my birthday, my gift is to you to show you patterns that you can see. Today, Dubai airport flooded. The last time that it happened this bad was back in 2024. But I'm not here to show another flood, but see the patterns. In the past couple of weeks, we have seen a lot of places, not just in the United States, but now all over the world, hit with out of the blue storms. No build up, no warning, as if the sky and the weather suddenly forgot how to actually work and just decided to improvise. Dubai, Indonesia, Nepal, Arkansas, New Mexico, Mexico, Oklahoma, New Zealand, Bangladesh, North Carolina, Texas. Watch the patterns. No build up, no warnings. A sudden, out of the blue, lots of water. Watch the patterns. You're not crazy for questioning it. You're crazy if you don't. This isn't random. This is engineered chaos. And the more we normalize it, the worse it's gonna get. Stop letting the media gaslight you with phrases like record-breaking rainfall or once-in-a-century storm. They're not warning you, they're mocking your memory. We warned about Texas, about New Mexico. We saw the cloud patterns glitch and behave like tech, not like nature. And now it's happening in multiple continents in the world. And all is happening under the same narrative. It's normal, it's the nature, but the patterns don't end up at all. These floods aren't a side effect. They are a test run. If you're still waiting for permission to say that this is not normal, here's your sign. And if you don't believe me, it's okay. Wait and watch. There's nothing you can do anyways.